Are you truly satisfied with your lifestyle, or do you crave more flexibility, purpose and freedom? By the end of this video, you'll see that there are real achievable opportunities to build a life aligned with your skills, your passions, and the lifestyle you really want. Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a loop, working hard but going nowhere? I'm Mick, and that was me before I discovered that online freedom was a reality. I'd felt like a ship without a rudder, drifting through life on a path that I hadn't chosen. But all that changed when I found a way to take control, build something for myself, and finally create the freedom I'd been craving. Society teaches us that following a similar path, go to school, get a 9 to 5 job, work for someone else, make them rich, and retire. Sound familiar? Then the next generation continues following the same path. This may be fine for you, but it's not fine for many who are looking for a way out of this treadmill. In recent years, this traditional path has become less relevant. School will always be the foundation for learning and the skills of life, but the 9 to 5 work ethic is changing fast with technology, making it so much easier to take control of your life and be your own boss, with retirement being something that will be personal choice, really.
For many years I'd been looking for a business where I could use my skills and passions to create something I love and give me the freedom to work where and when I want. After years of searching, I came across a community of people that taught me the skills I needed and supported me all the way. Today, I run a successful online business, earning an income and helping others transform their lives, and I enjoy the freedom to travel and work from anywhere. I'm now working on my second business that aligns with my lifetime passion. These are exciting times and I wish I'd started years ago. So, you don't need a tech or marketing degree, you just need the determination, the right support and the willingness to learn. So if you're tired of the 9 to 5 grind and want to create a business that will transform your life, or simply want a business to create a passive income, and you're ready to learn new exciting skills and build something you love that won't even seem like work, you're in the right place. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow me, and I'll show you how I did it. Click the link below and I'll send you a series of free videos, the same videos that helped me get started. It could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Comment below and let me know, what does freedom mean to you? What if one decision you make today could completely change tomorrow? I'll see you on the other side and in the next video. Bye for now.